It's already 2025. Who still uses this kind of bathing tub? Not only is adding water inconvenient, nowadays smart people are all using this advanced technology. At 20 degrees Celsius of warm water, if the bird is dirty or itchy, it will obediently go in and wash. No matter how much it moves, there's no fear of water spilling outside. Cleaning is also very convenient. Add food, and it can also be used as a larger capacity food container. The key is, look how affordable it is. Spend the same money and accomplish two things.